This is a 2007 Road Glide, and it's got the Screaming Eagle 113 cubic inch engine in it. Super cool, white wall tires, this awesome looking orange, Harley Davidson orange, air horn. Check this out. Now, this is the first time I've ever driven a Road Glide. This is also the first time I ever rode a bike with the 113 Screaming Eagle engine in it. Up until now, the fastest Harley bike or the biggest Harley bike I've ever ridden was the 110 CVO Screaming Eagle. And this thing's got some power. I'm really enjoying this. Real comfortable bike. I love the color, but you gotta love that 113 Screaming Eagle engine. That was a special engine. They didn't put that in any bike. It's the equivalent of like the 120 engine that they put in that you can buy right now. But you're probably looking at about 10,000 bucks just to put that motor in this bike. Wow. That's what the 113 engine feels like. That's fast. This thing's a screamer.